Hey guys, it's Kevin here with Bluegrass Cleaning Company. This is actually the fourth time I have tried to shoot this video because I am so excited I keep stumbling over my words. So I've got some exciting news to share with everybody, but I'm going to try and do it a little slower. So as of October 1st, Bluegrass Cleaning Company has turned 7 years old, which is cool. The cooler thing, though, is after I was doing some statistic gathering, I noticed that we are actually the third most rated company. So we're three for the most amount of ratings, and of those, we are at a perfect 5.0 score. So the other two companies that we're going against have been in business longer than us, or they are a national company. So I don't think that's bad for a small family-owned business to actually be rated third most highest rated. And then for our score itself, we've actually got a 5.0 across Google, which is fantastic. That's awesome. My team is just phenomenal. They really go out of their way to put in 110% every single day to make sure our customers are completely satisfied. And we definitely couldn't have done this without them. So in the Central Kentucky area, third most rated is definitely achievement for us. We're very excited about it, especially competing against national organizations who some have been in business for 40 years. And then if even cooler is if we take the state of Kentucky, the entire state, we're actually sixth. But of the sixth that are rated for the most reviews, we are one of two that have a perfect 5-star rating. So if that doesn't tell you that we're really jamming our customers and making sure that, everything from start to finish is awesome, I don't know what else will. That's a huge, phenomenal success for us. Like I said, my guys go out and put in 110% every day. I'm just so very proud of all of them for their work that they do, and I just couldn't be happier. So this is a phenomenal moment for us. I hope you guys see this and sharing our excitement. I know I'm way overly excited. This is the third time I've done this video, fourth time I've done this video now. Yeah, I'm just through the moon, and hopefully I got it this time. So anyway, if you guys need any carpet, tile and grout, upholstery, mattresses, hardwood restoration, anything that's on a floor that needs to be cleaned, or a piece of furniture or mattress, give us a call. 859-888-1515. Thanks so much for being on this ride with us. So we'll talk to you next time.